Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit Instant from on Facebook ads. In this walkthrough, we'll move step by step so you can confidently adjust your Instant form and push those changes live without confusion. Start by opening Meta Business Suite in your browser. This is your home base for managing Facebook assets, pages, and ads. Once it loads, head straight to Ads Manager. Ads Manager is where all your campaigns live, and it's the place you'll use to find the ad that contains the Instant form you want to update. Inside Ads Manager, go to the Campaigns view. This layout lists every campaign in your account, along with delivery status and performance details. Locate the campaign that includes the ad using your Instant form. When you select the campaign, you'll be able to open it for changes. Click Edit to open the editing panel. This brings up the adjustable settings for the items you've selected. From here, you can access the elements tied to your lead objective and the Instant form connected to your ad. Give the panel a second to load. It's common for it to populate in sections. As you review, focus on the form-related options. This is where you can refine your form's headline and description, adjust questions to capture the information you actually need, confirm your privacy policy link, and tweak the completion screen to clarify what happens after someone submits the form. Keep things short, clear, and aligned with your offer to reduce drop-off. A few helpful reminders while you edit. Make sure the questions match your follow-up process so leads can be qualified quickly and avoid asking for more data than you truly need. If this form is shared across multiple ads, note that changes can affect each ad using it. Also check that your branding and tone are consistent with the ad creative so the experience feels seamless from click to submission. When you're happy with your updates, scroll to the bottom and click Next. You'll move through the confirmation flow. Click Next again to proceed. This path lets you review and confirm your changes. Take a moment to scan for any warnings or validation messages, then select Publish to finalize. Your updates will enter the review process if required, and once approved, the live ads using this form will reflect your edits. That's it. You opened Meta Business Suite, went into Ads Manager, found your campaign, opened Edit, made your updates, and completed the next steps before publishing. Thanks for following along, and great job refining your Instant form to improve lead quality and conversion.